Hey guys, Stephanie here, and today we're going to take a look at the BBK 1 3/4 inch ceramic coated tuned length shorty headers for the 2009 and newer 5.7 liter. You're going to want to be checking these out if you're looking for a set of shorty headers for bolt-on sound and performance gains, you want the benefits of a ceramic coated header, and you're still looking for the budget-friendly option. Generally speaking, ceramic coated headers are going to be slightly more expensive than a chrome option. A lot of times people go with a ceramic coated header if they want the appearance of the header to uphold over time and they want the performance benefits of the coating. These headers cost about $450, which makes them one of the most budget-friendly options that are currently on the site as far as ceramic coated headers go. When it comes to the install, I'll call it a 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. When it comes to headers, you have some choices. The headers are going to be one of the key pieces in your car's overall performance, and choosing the right headers for your specific build will have an impact on horsepower and torque. Your two basic options are short tube or long tube headers. They're going to give you different sounds and different horsepower and torque numbers at different RPM ranges, and the design of each type of header will impact the back pressure of the exhaust differently. So if you've got it narrowed down that you want shorty headers, you need to next choose between equal length or unequal length. They're going to produce slightly different power and torque numbers at different times in the curve. The best advice I can give you is to take into account your entire build. All of the components in the exhaust are a system, and you have to plan for what you want out of your build. You can't really just look at the headers themselves. A car will make the best overall power if you look at it like a complete system. With all that being said, we can take a closer look at these particular headers. These are BBK's 1 3/4 inch offering, meaning that the diameter of the primary tubes are 1 3/4 inches. These are shorty headers and they're unequal length or tuned. Equal length just means that the length of all the primary tubes are the same. Installing equal length shorties can be a little bit more difficult than unequal length because you have a lot more primary tube to work with in an equal length header. But that's just a side note to think about. These are made from mandrel bent stainless steel for smooth airflow and heat and corrosion resistance. If we move on to the finish, these headers have a silver ceramic finish. This is different than a natural or chrome finish. A chrome finish will tarnish over time, and a natural finish is more raw. The silver ceramic finish that these headers have is going to outlast a chrome finish or polished finish. It actually keeps underhood temps down since it doesn't allow as much heat to escape through the headers. Your other performance benefit is that the ceramic coating forces the exhaust gases to expand down and out of the end of the exhaust, which boosts exhaust flow, and it makes room for fresh air in the cylinders, ultimately helping with horsepower. You also get the benefit of added corrosion protection with the ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is known to work the best out of all exhaust insulation methods and produce the most benefits. I'll say that you should look at ceramic coating headers if you're looking for the most performance possible. Some other good news about these headers: these will work with the stock Cadillac converter, and you don't need a tune to install them. You'll also receive the needed gaskets and the new hardware to install these right in the box. When it comes to the install, you're looking at a full 3 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. Headers are not an easy install, and you'll need some knowledge to get it done yourself. You can always send the car to a shop for the install if you need to. If you guys are interested in these headers, you can always check them out more online at AmericanMuscle.com.